Welcome to another TAM Studios. This is Becky and Guru. We are Sydney-based technical account managers, and we have a big one here for you today. It's the Genesys Cloud Virtual Agent. So let's check it out. Genesys introduces the new Genesys Cloud Virtual Agent, a self-service automation capability that enhances existing Genesys bot functionality. This release includes several large language model, or LLMs, and generative AI-powered features, allowing admins to quickly harness the organization's NLU model with lifelike training data by generating training utterances based on a simple description. Generate a summary of interaction and then the transfer of information to live agents. Or, in the case where the virtual agent completes the interaction, generates a summary and a wrap-up code. It highlights the exact snippets of an article that best answers the user's question, which is especially helpful for larger articles. There are three distinct aspects to the virtual assistants: before, during, and after the conversation happens itself, and you will need to configure the desired behavior for each phase. We call it the before, during, and after contact configurations, and my colleague Guru will be walking us through these at a high level in a short demo. Starting and concluding with the virtual agent upgrade activation and deactivation. Just note to make sure that you check the RC article for all the additional permissions needed to perform this. So I will go ahead and pass you on to Guru now for a demo.
Thank you, Becky, for providing the introduction of virtual agents. In this demonstration, I'm going to take a digital bot flow example and upgrade to virtual agent. When you click on upgrade, the flow is now going to be upgraded to virtual agent. Let us first talk about the intents and utterances. Before the contact, virtual agent generates up to 10 intents and 20 utterances at a time. You can adjust, delete, and add more utterances or intents for fine-tuning. In this example, I'm going to provide an AI prompt regarding a banking industry and generate intents and utterances. When generate intents is clicked, you can see that the AI is generating them, and when it is successfully generated, it would create 10 intents and 20 utterances along with the reusable tasks. Let us now shift the focus towards answer highlighting feature, which is available under knowledge and answer, which is configured during a contact. The answer highlighting, when it is toggled on, the bot matches the question to an article and displays the highlighted answer natively so that the customer does not need to search through or read the entire article. Next, we will look at the settings under after contact. To enable virtual agent to generate an AI-powered summary of the bot conversation, use the toggle switch under the conversation summary tab. And when the toggle is enabled, when agent escalation takes place, the virtual agent displays the conversation summary to the right of the interaction panel of the agent when Genesys routes the interaction. In cases where the bot disconnects the interaction, the virtual agent creates the conversation summary and stores it for retrieval. Virtual agent chooses from the list of enabled wrap-up codes when it predicts which wrap-up code best fits the bot conversation. To add a wrap-up code to the list of enabled wrap-up codes, enable the corresponding toggle switch. Now, let's start off with a demonstration. The first use case is where we would not escalate the conversation to the agent, and let us see how the bot responds to the query. For this question on short-term deposits, you could see that the virtual agent is highlighting the answer from the article, and the end user has the ability to view the full article as well. Let's disconnect the interaction, and in order to view the conversation summary, reason for contact, and the predicted wrap-up codes, there is an API available. And when executed, you could see that the session summary has the summary about the interaction, the status, the predicted wrap-up codes, as well as the resolution and follow-up as well. Let us now go ahead and initiate another interaction and deflect this to agent. I'm going to escalate this to agent. And under Copilot, you could see that virtual agent has created a transfer summary for the agent to understand the reason, summary, and the resolution provided by the bot. This provides a very clear picture of the context of the conversation that the bot had with the end user so that the agent can pick up the interaction from here on. Over to you, Becky.
Thank you, Guru, and thank you all for watching. Please comment below or email us any questions at termstudios@genesys.com.